Hey guys, Arpita here. Welcome to Arpita's Kitchen. Today we are making vegetable hakka noodles. This can be easily prepared at home for lunch, dinner or even for breakfast. If you want to know how to prepare, then keep on watching. First I have taken around 3 cups of water and I will be boiling this for 1 minute. For this we will add around half a tablespoon of salt. After 1 minute I am adding 1 cup of noodles. As you can see, I have not broken the noodles. I want it to be long enough, so I just added the noodles as it is in the pack. After it become little bit soft, I am taking a fork and I am just rotating around so that it will become soft and it will come to the boil. We will close the lid. I have taken a lid which has holes in it. If you don't have this type of lid, close the lid and just leave little open at the side and boil this for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I am adding around half a tablespoon of vegetable oil, giving a stir, and I'll cook this for another 3 minutes so that my noodles completely cooks. Now it's almost like a 5 minutes. My noodles have completely cooked. You can see it's not sticking to each other as we have added the oil. Now we will switch off the flame and we will strain this and pour cold water on top to stop cooking. Now I have just strained and I have added 1 cup of cold water to stop cooking of the noodles further, and it is not sticky enough. Let this be aside. We will make the tadka for our hakka noodles. For this I have kept a kada and I am adding around 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use olive oil. I have used normal vegetable oil here. For this I am adding around 1 onion, big onion. We need to chop all the vegetables in lengthwise for this noodles. Just saute this until the onion becomes transparent. Once it has come to transparent like 1 minute, we will add our vegetables. First we need to add the hard vegetables. So I have taken carrot, around half carrot. As carrot takes long time to cook, I am adding that first and I'll saute this for 30 seconds. Make sure you add and saute all the vegetables in a 30 minute span. Like add the carrot, saute for 30 seconds, then add the next vegetable and saute for another 30 seconds. Now I am adding the cabbage and I'll saute this again for 30 seconds and then add the next vegetable. This makes all the vegetables cook evenly. Finally, I am adding the capsicum. As capsicum takes lesser time, I am adding it at last and I am sauteing it for 30 seconds. So you can see carrot has taken longer time and capsicum at last. After all the vegetables cooked for 1 minute, we will add our flavorings. First we will add around 2 pinch of sugar to balance out all the spice and sauce. This will make the caramelization of onion and vegetables. I am adding around 2 pinch of salt as we will be adding all the sauces to our vegetables which has lot of salt. Make sure you add only 2 pinch of salt to the vegetables so that it doesn't become blank. So after adding salt, we will add pepper powder. I have used black pepper powder. You can use the white pepper powder if it is available with you. Saute this. Now my vegetables are crunchy enough. We will add the sauces. Half tablespoon of green chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. White vinegar I have taken. Once you add all the sauces, just give it a good mix so that the vegetable absorb all the taste of the sauce. At this point you must keep the flame very low and add the cooked noodles. Once you have added the noodles, don't mix up very roughly. Just use 2 tablespoons and toss this so that the noodles combine with our sauce and vegetables. You need to toss, don't mix up so that the noodles will break. You can see I am just tossing the noodles with the sauce mixture. With 3 to 4 toss, it will nicely combine with vegetables and sauce and it is nicely coated with all the flavors. Now my vegetable hakka noodles is ready to serve. It's a very easy dish. Hope you enjoyed. If so, please subscribe to Arpita's Kitchen and also comment below if you have tried this, how it came for you. You can add any vegetables of your liking, that will taste yummy. I have served this with the tomato ketchup. You can also serve this with the chili sauce and tomato ketchup both. Hope you have enjoyed my video. If so, please subscribe to Arpita's Kitchen and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this video. Love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.